Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to create this type of bendable pipe in SolidWorks. So keep watching this video till end. Before going further, let me introduce you to my YouTube channel SolidWorks Tutorials and Engineering News, where you will find a huge quantity of videos regarding SolidWorks and engineering. So please don't forget to press subscribe button and this bell icon for all upcoming video notification. So let's start. Click on File and select New. Now double click on the Part button. Click on the front plane from left side and then select Sketch. Now draw a center line and start it from origin. Define it 200 millimeter. Now draw a line Now select 3-point arc. One more line. Select both of these lines and make them equal. Select both of these points and make their relation vertical. Now define it. The length of the line is 10 millimeter and the distance from this point to this point is 20 millimeter. Click on this point and then this point, make their relation vertical. Now select the origin and this line and make the relation horizontal. Click on linear sketch pattern button here, and in the X direction we don't need any instances, so quantity is 1. Scroll down, and for Y direction the quantity is 10 and the distance from one instance to another is 40 millimeter. Click on this box entities to pattern and select this line, this arc and this line. Press OK button. Now define the radius or diameter, which is 200 millimeter. We need 2 more lines, one here and the distance is 50 millimeter. One more line on this side and the length is also 50 millimeter. Now go to Surfaces tab. If in your SolidWorks there is no Surfaces tab, right click here and then select Surfaces. So in the Surfaces tab, select Revolved Surface command from here and press OK button. Now we need to make this pipe more thick, so for that click on Thicken button here. Select this body, mid plane, and the wall thickness should be 2 millimeter and press OK button. This pipe is now ready and it's time to bend it. For that, simply go to search menu and search for flex. Now click on flex command. From here you can bend, twist, taper or stretch your parts. So at this time we are going to bend this part. Click on this box and select the body. Zoom out. Now here, from here, scroll down and set the degree 90 or any other that you want. Here is the radius 300. This is the distance from the plane from where the radius will start. So at this time it is 0. So let's change this. 30 from bottom, and for the plane 2 also select 30 from top. Press OK button. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thanks for watching and sparing time.